Annyeong! We are here at Bangs Prime Salon where they not only make your hair goals come true, but also teach you a few Korean phrases that will help you on your next salon visit. So for today's lesson, let's learn about... Hi! So I'm here at Bangs Prime Salon, SM San Lazaro, and here with me, Sir Max.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Sir Max is here to help us speak Korean on your next salon visit. Okay, so Sir Max, how do I say I want to cut my hair?
헤어컷을 원해요.
Haircut 원해요.
Yes, that's good. Yeah.
Haircut 원해요. How about I want to color my hair?
헤어 컬러를 원해요.
Hair color 원해요. So it's hair color 원해요. And then sir, another one I want to ask. What if I just want to say I want the trim?
다듬어 주세요.
다듬어 주세요.
Yes.
다듬어 주세요. And then the last one, I want to make it look like the one in the picture. How do I say it, sir?
사진처럼 할 수 있어요?
사진처럼 할 수 있어요?
Yes.
So it's 사진처럼 할 수 있어요? Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
And that's our lesson for today. Thank you, Sir Max, for helping me.
You're welcome.
안녕. I want to cut my hair. Haircut 원해요. I want to color my hair. Hair color 원해요. I want a trim. 다듬어 주세요. Can you make it look like this picture? 사진처럼 할 수 있어요. And that's our feature phrases for the month. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified of our new posts. And if you like to achieve your dream cut, color, style, book an appointment now and head on over to Bangs Prime Salon to start with your makeover. See you on our next video! Annyeong!